Pterodactyl here, and I'm mad. And I'm going to tell you why I'm mad. And I'm really mad. And I keep talking, I keep getting madder when I start thinking about this. There's a Chinese company that's making a knockoff item that we sell in our online store. And they're using my images and likenesses in their listing. And I didn't give them permission for that. And I don't want you grass rats being misled about this item. And we're going to show you what the item is, and we're going to compare it. And we're going to show you the differences in it and why you should stay away from it. The item I'm talking about is this frame kit that we sell in our online store. Now, if you don't know about this frame kit is made in the USA. It's made out of American steel, and it's got American hardware in there. And it's made by one of our US vendors, our friend Scott, who makes this. This is the one we bought off of Scamazon. And who knows what that's made out of. But we're going to open them up, we're going to take a look, and we're going to compare and go over these two items. Alright, so we're going to open this one. Now this is the one that's made by our US vendor, which has patents on it. This is a patented product. Now they were also selling this knockoff one on Fleabay. And when our vendor Scott got a hold of Fleabay and told them what was going on, that they're selling a knockoff of his patented product, Fleabay immediately took the listing down. So kudos to Fleabay. Scamazon, on the other hand, when he tried to get this item removed from their website, was a little bit more difficult. It wasn't a straightforward, easy, simple process. And he got to a point where he kind of hit a brick wall and couldn't go any further on trying to make his claim of getting it removed. So we want you grass rats out there to go there and leave a bad review of this product. So here's the one we got. This is the one we sell in our online store. And again, it's patented, got the instructions, and it's got grade 8 hardware that comes with it. Now this is the one that we bought off of Scamazon. It says right there, made in China. And again, the reason I'm so mad is because they're using my hands. They took screenshots from my video where we installed this US made kit on a tractor, and they're using it in their listing. So they're misleading people. That's what's making me mad. It'd be different if I was endorsing the product, but I'm not. That's why I'm so mad. I didn't give them permission to use these beautiful hands, because I am a hand model, in their listing. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what this kit consists of. All right, you can see some differences right away. Well, here's a big difference. Why is it in pieces? Is this their attempt to try to get around the patent? And if you read the reviews on this item on Scamazon, you'll see that people were complaining about the hardware being cheap. I don't think this is graded hardware. Now it looks shiny. Let me see if I can find a magnet here. Is it stainless steel? No, it's not stainless. Because stainless doesn't stick. It's kind of stainless. It might be who knows what it's made out of. But this is the hardware pack. This is the one that's patented, which has got instructions in there. And this is the Scamazon one. Now, these pieces here are cut in half, which is not going to make it strong. This is a weak point. You want a solid piece. You want one solid piece. I guess they figure that this is what's going to strengthen it. So obviously they caught wind of our frame kit and decided to make their own and rip off our vendor for his product. Not even all the holes line up. That could be a problem. Let's see. All right, that goes there, and this goes here. Yeah. Doesn't even line up correctly. What the heck is going on? The holes aren't even in the right spot. This is how it would go. But how would you know that? Because it doesn't come with any instructions. There's no instructions on how to install it. Definitely different. So the first thing I noticed in this hardware is our vendor uses locking nuts. And again, these are steel. Where these, I don't know what this is. A combination of steel and something else. And a lot of the comments in the reviews were talking about how the hardware was loosening up. And how they had to, after a couple of mows, they had to keep going back and tightening up the hardware. All right, I noticed that this is plated hardware. There's some of the platings coming off. So it's not stainless. And I don't know what grade it is. It may be pretty soft. So it may break easily. But yeah, the plating is already coming off, and that's sharp. You could cut yourself with that. To sum it up, I'm not mad at Chinese products. We endorse Chinese products on our website. We endorse HIPAA because I like that. Not everything that's coming out of China is cheaply made. What I'm mainly mad about is they're misrepresenting this item. They're using my hands and my likeness. You can see part of my shirt in those things, and part of my hat. You can see part of that in their little thumbnails that they're using on their website to promote this. That's what I'm mostly mad about. Because I didn't give them permission. I'm not endorsing this. And I just want you grass rats to be aware of that. This is the one I'm endorsing, the one we sell in our online store. And there's your dinner.